Hi everyone, so I'm about to share some journals with you. I have made 3 of these journal kits. I'll just grab the other ones. It's just because I took the picture of that's why it's still there. So there's these, and you get all that in it. They are all slightly different. These will be available, and you will find the link to these below in the description box. You have got a blank journal, and it's fabric cover. It's got this nice fabric on there. 2 of them I've got the kind of the same fabric, but because it's patterned, it looks different. Then I made these toppers where there's fabric in the back, and then there's just layers here, and we've got this lovely image here. It's from ARTYmaze and the old design shop, and I think that's ARTYmaze as well. So the journal, all the journals measure 8 by 4 3/4. They have 1 signature, and they're 36 pages of front and back. So let me just put that out the way. Just do a quick flip of these. This is actually ARTYmaze's freebie for the month of May, and you'll find that in her coffee shop. So this is all ready for you to decorate as you please. You know, do your own thing, so if you're making one. So all the papers have been coffee dyed. Got little flips here, and stray bits of paper, and there, and a little flip there. If you don't want that, you can just put a ruler there and tear that away. If you don't want a flap there, you can do that with any of these as well. Because sometimes I do that in my journals and then I take them out, because then I'm like, oh no, I don't want it there now. So that is the journal with that one. Then we've got a little glassine bag with a stamped tag, a Tiffany & Co tag, and I've just done like a little belly band there with a butterfly and a label, and this is some digital washi, and then we've got a little positive quote tag in the back. So the tag goes inside like so. Belly band comes off as well, and then that goes in there like that. So we have that, and that could fit perfectly on a page. If you wanted to take that out, you could glue that down or paper clip it in, and that would look pretty good like that. So that is that. Then this is just a folded French letter, which is a digital, and it is from TaylorMade Journals. So I just, because I printed them off, I thought I would add that in with that. So you could literally fill things inside there, and you could, if you wanted to, once you've filled it up, or once you've written inside it, if you've done some secret journaling or whatever, you could seal that again if you've got a seal. Or what I have been seeing lately is people using hot glue, and then maybe putting some sparkles in it, or a little tiny piece of ephemera or dried flowers, sprinkle that in it, and then use like a coin if you don't have a thingy thing. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? A wax seal stamp. That's it. And you can do the clear ones. So there's that. Then we've got a triple pocket. Well, actually it could be 4 pockets. Let's see how that could go in the journal. Could go in any way. So again, I've done a belly band which can be taken off like so, and this all is inside. I've glued it so that it doesn't come undone. So here we've got a layaway tag inside there. Then we have this tag, which is they're both from ARTYmaze. But if you wanted to use that, I mean, you could glue that down, and you know, you could cut that and then make a pocket like that. But if you wanted it as a floating pocket, just keep it as it is and just paper clip it in somewhere. She says she can't get that back in. Yep, you could just paper clip that in. So we've got that tag there. That one goes in the back, just a stamp butterfly tag, and then that goes there. So that's that. Then we have this, which is a trifold. It's a triple fold. And I done this. I actually saw, I don't know if I've still got it up on my iPad. Hang on a sec. Let's see. Right, it's on Pinterest. Nope, lost it. It's gone. Where is it gone? Let me tell you the name of the person that she had done one completely different to this, but that's how mine. Her name is iGirlZoe, or IG early. No, it's iGirlZoe, and she's on Instagram. And I found her via Pinterest, and I'm following her on Pinterest as well, and she's a big Tim Holtz addict. So she'd done like a pocket similar, obviously using a lot of Tim Holtz stuff. I've not. Tim Holtz stamp there. This is from the old design shop. So is that ARTYmaze. Got some washi tape here, and then inside there I've made some tags. So we have that tag there, that one there, and that one there. We've got some French ephemera. So in all of them the tags are different, but this ephemera is the same, so that goes in there. And there we have this, which is ARTYmaze, a French ephemera. That goes in there. And obviously that's that tag. Little collage going on there. Little collage going on there as well. And then this is ARTYmaze French ephemera as well. So you could, if you wanted to, with this, you could keep it as it is. Oh, in here we've got a little tuck, and we've got some French ephemera there, which is ARTYmaze. And this is ARTYmaze as well, and I believe that is some French ephemera too. So got a lot of kind of French vibe going on here, and that goes in there. So that goes there. Okay, nothing on the back, because if you wanted to, you could glue that right down in there. I know it would make it a little bit bulky, but some people like that. But you could glue it into page. If not, you can keep it separate, add things into it, do whatever you like. Okay, so that's that. And then here, this is an idea from Roxy Creations, Rachel from Roxy Creations. Excuse all the fluffy bits. And this is just a little journal spot bundle. Okay, so this was her Roxy's weekly challenge, week 10, I believe. So this is from the old design shop, and that's been folded up, and I made a little belly band, as you can see, with some bits on there. And we have this French thingy bobber. I can't think what it's called. French check. Because something we don't really use a lot of now. Then there we have this, which is from the old design shop. And we have this, which is from the old design shop. That's been folded up, so that goes in there. Then we have a tag, ARTYmaze. This is from, I think, Tsunami Rose, and so are these from one of the kits that Daisy has. And that goes there like so, and then that goes in there. And you can use that however you like, obviously. If you buy it, it's yours. Do as you wish. Right. And that just goes on there. So you get the journal, you get that, you get that, you get that, and that, and that. I don't know why I was whispering. Right, so that is the first one. I'm just going to set everything in so that I don't, because I then put them in bags, number them up. So the journal is exactly the same, the same things in the journal, all the same pages and digitals and whatnot, right? Okay, this is the fabric cover, and this is the topper for that one. This, again, is the trifold. Tags are slightly different. Same ephemera in the back. There we go. And there we go. Right, so that, oops, that's moved. And these are all the same as the first one that I showed you. Just like that. And that is like so. Another one of these. Another one of these, and it's that's the tag in there. and that is the positive quote in the back. I think that digital washi is possibly from ARTYmaze, I don't know, I haven't used that one before. Then these are, I think these are the same, apart from the positive quote tag is different. Yeah, and this is different, and so is that. They're all different actually, but it's the same piece of paper, which is ARTYmaze's freebie for the month of May. Can you believe we're in May already? How did that happen? And a tag in the back. And then that is exactly the same, apart from that is different, and that is different. Everything else is the same. Didn't want to go in there, and obviously that's different there, so that goes there. So that is that bundle. So that and that. Okay, so that, I'm just going to shove all that in there like so. Okay, right, on to the third one, which, there we go. That is the fabric on that one. I believe ARTYmaze sent me that. I think she wrapped something up in it. What was it she sent me? I can't remember. But anyway, she wrapped it up in that, and I was like, oh, and get a few journals out of that. So that's the topper. Pages are the same. And that's the tag there. Be easier if I laid that down. That's the tag there. The ephemera, like I said, is the same in all of them. That ephemera, that ephemera, and that one folds that way. Messed that one up. I think I turned it upside down or something. That's what it was, and I was like, oh, dummy. But yeah, it's more or less all the same. That is the same. So is that. That goes in there. Oh, that needs to be glued down there, so I'll do that in a minute. And that is the design on there. And then we have one of these again, and that again is a guest check, that tag, positive quote tag, that one there, little decoration, and that is the stamp tag in the back. And again, that is the same, apart from that's the layaway tag in there, and that is the one that's different. Or is it different? No, I think that might be the same as the first one, but there we go. That is that. And then the little glassine bag with that, and that's open there as well. So that is what I've been up to, and I did show a little quick make of, like, a quick video when I was making these to show what was coming soon. So yeah, that is what's available. So there's 3 of them available. They will be linked below, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.